Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. My mother-in-law got this for me for Christmas and I've been using it here and there. I use it whenever I want to get my hair really smooth and frizz-free. But I gotta tell you, this blow dryer is extremely loud and I have to put something in my ears because otherwise I feel like I'm going deaf. Every time I finish doing my hair, and if I don't have my ears plugged, I can't hear very well. That's how loud this thing is. So I gotta tell you something though. This blow dryer dries my hair so fast and leaves it very smooth. Doesn't leave it very shiny though. I have this other blow dryer that I've been using for many years, and it's called the Solia Professional Thermal. I don't even know, like it's so old that the letters are gone. But this blow dryer is pretty good, pretty normal. It's not a salon quality blow dryer that I can think of, but it works pretty well. It does its job. And so actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blow dry some of my hair with this one and some of my hair with this one so you see the difference. With this one I achieve a lot more shine, but it takes longer. With this one, again, very smooth, but not as shine, but it's super fast. Comes wrapped in this thing. Alright. It has a swivel cord, but it doesn't really swivel, and then blow dry my hair for some reason it just stuck, and then the cord gets all tangled. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Now it's on. Okay, so it's in the off setting right now. So this is the low. This is the medium. See the difference? And this is the high. Yeah, it's very loud. So I'm going to cover my ears because I cannot blow dry my hair. It's like right in my ear. I cannot blow dry my hair without covering my ears. So I'm just putting a little bit of toilet paper because I don't have any earplugs. I need to invest in some. Okay, much better. I hope I'm not gonna yell at you because I can't hear myself. So I'm gonna do this really quick so that you can see. The high setting right now. Very smooth, absolutely no frizz because there's no hair below. No, there's no hair. There's no air blowing at your hair and making it frizzy. It just kind of smooths it out. Yeah, it's a very concentrated heat, like hot air coming out, but it's not a very strong air coming out. All right, let me do this other side with my other blow dryer. So now I'm going to do that I'm going to blow dry just this part with this blow dryer, just so that you guys can see the difference. And then I'm going to pause this, and I'm gonna do my full hair with the One Step hair dryer so that you can see what my hair looks like. Yeah, this one is not nearly as loud. This part here is with the other blow dryer, with the hair dryer, and this one is with my Solia blow dryer. Not much difference, and this part is a lot less hair than this one, so I can do a lot more hair on this with the other, with the One Step than I can do with this one. This one I can only do a little bit at a time because I have thick hair. But anyway, I'll come back and I'll show you what my hair looks like after I blow dry it with the One Step hair dryer. Okay, I'm almost done, but I wanted to show you something as I was blow drying my hair. I wanted to, I just remembered that I wanted to tell you a few things about this blow dryer. So weight-wise, it's extremely lightweight. This one is pretty comfortable, but this one is, even though it looks so big and bulky, it's lightweight. So this is supposed to be a cool tip, but I can't even touch it. It's extremely hot. Yeah, because this is supposed to help you move the hair, and this is supposed to be cold, but don't touch it. Also, your hair gets so hot. Don't touch it. I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna show you. Right now, I can't touch my hair. It's so hot. So it's a little weird. It doesn't happen with my other blow dryer. So with the other one, I just blow dry it and I can touch it and I can manage it. But with this one, I cannot. That's how hot my hair gets. So make sure that you use heat protector. I use this one, which works very well for me. You can use any other heat protector that you have. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish it up. So guys, I'm back and I'm pretty much done. And now I'm using the medium setting to kind of polish the ends. With this setting, I can actually touch my hair. It's very hot, but I can touch it. I burn my hair anyways. Drying my hair with the hot air. I still cannot touch this with the setting. So I'm just going over it, just smoothing out any ends that are sticking out. I don't know what that happened. My hair looks like this. The thing about this one is I can do this. Okay. I can do this with my hair. And I can feel it with my hair. I like the volume that it gives me. I like the smoothness, as I mentioned before. And I like how fast it dries my hair. I just don't like how loud it is. I don't like how loud it is, and I don't like how hot it gets. I can't, well, I can touch the bristles now, but as the air is coming out, the bristles get extremely hot. I burned my forehead a little bit with the other one while I was showing you how I would try it. That's the good thing about this one. There's no hair actually belonging to your face or all over the place. So you don't have a lot of hair on the floor or everywhere. Like with the other one, because the air just blows all over the place. Anyway, all in all, I am extremely satisfied with this One Step hair dryer. And I'm gonna put a link below so you guys can take a look. I actually, well, my mother-in-law actually got it from Amazon, and I saw it for twice as much on a Facebook and on an Instagram ad. So guys, Facebook ads and Instagram ads are crazy because they sell things for way more money than you can get them on either eBay or actually Amazon. They always sell things for twice as much. So do your research before you buy anything off of Facebook or Amazon or Instagram ads, because they're very overpriced, and I guess they do it because they need to pay for the ads. Anyway, I'll post a link for the blow dryer down below, and let me know if you have any questions or comments, and if you recommend any other blow dryer. I am all open for suggestions. I'm always looking to buy new things that will make my life easier and will make my hair prettier. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching again, and please subscribe. Alright, besitos.